Amazing experience. Your whole world changes overnight, and all of your priorities change immediately, so fast that it makes it really difficult to process sometimes. Now, you also have to learn a tremendous amount about being a parent. Like, for example, how to dress your child.
Hei,
This was new to me.
Hey.
This is an actual
Mengerti, Jako?
I thought this was a good idea.
mengerti Jako?
And
Kenapa lu nonton nih?
knows that it's not a good idea.
Harus nonton kapan Ki bisa bahasa Inggris kalau nggak mulai.
Tapi nggak mengerti Jako juga.
Tapi setidaknya didengar Ki. Kau daripada kau nggak ada dengar bahasa Inggris. Halo Ces.
Halo Ces.
Berjumpa lagi di vlog hari ini. Begini, hari ini nih sebenarnya ada keresahan ini Abu.
Iya.
Jadi semakin lama itu semakin banyak video-video di YouTube yang keren-keren.
Berbahasa Inggris.
Iya, tapi sayangnya itu dia bahasa Inggris. Nah kadang ini, wah, saya nggak mengerti kita, nggak ada rutina.
Dan mestinya juga mengikuti perkembangan itu kita harus belajar
Iya.
banyak bahasa.
Makanya itu kita bertekad bagaimana kita harus belajar bahasa Inggris. Menyesalkan saya dulu waktu sekolah
Saya sampai les bahasa Inggris waktu kelas 6 SD. Tapi
Iya.
kan itu bahasa Inggris dasar gitu
Iya.
yang I am, you know.
Ya.
Oh, begitu.
Tapi begini ya Bu, tadi itu saya baca-baca artikel tuh. Oke. Come here.
This is minion, this tower.
Minion.
Tower.
Oke.
Blurkan towernya blur.
You back
Back to best.
to feel blood.
But as rude and as indecent as all hell syllables, killaholic, chewable. This hibbity hip hop, you really want to get into it, listen to that, this is rappity back.
Nah, tapi walaupun dijalankan itu tips kah, kalau tidak dipraktekkan dalam keseharian itu kali nol ji.
Nggak ada gunanya.
Nggak ada gunanya.
Nggak merangsang ke otak.
Bagaimana mulai hari ini mau dulu toh seling-seling, hari ini besok tidak bahasa Inggris,
Inggris.
besoknya lagi bahasa Inggris toh.
Berarti
Oke, hari ini kita bahasa Inggris, oke?
Videonya ini pakai bahasa Inggris.
Oke.
Ay,
Jadi ini
olah
kita mau
bahasa.
belajar bahasa Inggris. Oke, mulai dari sekarang ya. 1, 2, 3.
Oke.
Welcome to my channel and please like, comment
Dan
and
subscribe.
yes, because thank you for all the follow.
Thank you for surprise-nya. Ya, itu mau dulu. Itu nah ya.
Yeah,
Iya.
you
Ya.
you
I am speak Indonesian. No, sorry ya.
No.
No.
If we don't know the English, we can Google Translate.
Google Translate.
Okay. What the English is sakulu? Coba.
English
Sakulu ya, dulu. Sakulu. Same ya.
Same.
Oh, try bau kateak.
Oh ya.
Ya, toh?
Try
Bau
kateak.
smell of chili. You smell of chili.
Smell of chili. Ya.
Sikuyuang. Oh no, sikuyuang is
Bau kaki.
Iya, bau
Kaki enak.
Iya, bau kaki enak.
Bau enak.
Good.
Good food odor.
Yes,
Sikuyuang.
you good food order no.
Order no.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Hat. Okay. Hat. This is topi. Door. Handle. Okay, nice. What this?
What this? Cutter. Not.
Yes, cutter. We Google Translate, please.
Google.
Yes.
Ya. Nah. Ya.
Knife. We can study in everywhere and anywhere and go to where? Yes.
Anywhere.
Yeah. For please. I just like the flora and fauna. You.
But not. I am human.
Okay. We will go to the meeting with Basitoya?
Yeah, I go
After
to
this?
meeting is the coffee shop.
Yes.
It's meeting
For-
for 9 o'clock.
We can tell Basitoya to speak English too.
Oh, not.
No problem. Tell them.
Tunggu. Mana? Not. Jadi
Besi.
besi tu. Scrap metal.
Okay, scrap
Eh,
metal. We will meet scrap metal
We'll meet scrap metal for
Meeting.
9 o'clock meeting
in the coffee shop.
In the coffee shop. The
Uh,
touchdown. The coffee shop.
Morning, bro.
Morning.
That video not to speak Indonesian, ya. Yeah.
Special for video.
It is hari apa?
Saturday.
Saturday. Bukan. Not Indonesian speak.
Oh, I love you forever together October, November, December. Mantap ya. Yes. Bahasa Inggris.
You
Yeah.
partner where?
Sleeping in the home.
Sleeping in the home.
Oh,
Partner
sleeping.
Because sick. That's the
sick.
That's the chicken.
That's the chicken.
Oh.
Your name.
The fish
Your name
sapu-sapu.
is. My name is coffee shop.
Ya.
Kalau pesan
Message.
message and
I want to message copy.
I need coffee.
Join coffee because coffee is join with you.
Done with you. Coffee.
Yeah.
My friend.
Oh, yes.
have money.
My friend,
and
yes.
coffee shop.
Oh,
Yeah, from Turkey. Yeah.
From Turkey.
And my friend from Turkey. Hello friend.
Hello, friend.
How are you?
And
Do you know speak Indonesian in video? Every day video not Indonesian ya. Indonesian.
Mantul.
yeah.
What is your name bro?
What's name? Yes. English.
English.
Your English name.
Your English name?
My friend Bule.
Wes.
It's my friend.
Friend.
From Holland.
Sister.
Holland.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Langsung ya?
Yes.
Wah.
Wes.
Itu dibilang dia mau piti-piti bahasa Inggris orang bule kasih bahasa Bugis sembarang.